Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
Let's go straight into pricing, starting with Obsidian. Obsidian follows a very different pricing philosophy compared to most productivity and note-taking tools on the market. The core Obsidian app is completely free for personal use, with no limits on the number of notes, links, folders, or local storage. You download the app, your notes are stored locally on your own device as plain markdown files, and you are not forced into a subscription just to access core functionality. Obsidian monetizes through optional paid add-ons such as Obsidian Sync and Obsidian Publish. Sync allows encrypted cloud syncing across devices, while Publish lets users turn notes into public websites. This pricing model makes Obsidian extremely cost-effective for individuals, researchers, writers, developers, and students who value privacy, long-term access, and full data ownership. Now moving to Logseq pricing. Logseq is also free and open source for core usage, which makes it very appealing to users who want powerful note-taking without recurring subscription costs. Like Obsidian, Logseq stores notes locally in plain text formats, giving users complete control over their data. Logseq offers optional paid services for cloud sync and publishing, but the majority of features remain available without payment. From a pricing standpoint, both tools are far more affordable than traditional subscription-based note apps, with the main cost being optional convenience rather than locked functionality. Now let's move into Obsidian features. Obsidian is built around a powerful graph-based knowledge system designed for long-term thinking. Notes are written in Markdown and connected using bi-directional links, allowing users to build a personal knowledge graph that grows organically over time. Obsidian supports tags, folders, aliases, embeds, backlinks, and transclusion, making it ideal for research, writing, learning, and personal knowledge management. The interactive graph view visually displays how notes relate to each other, helping users uncover connections between ideas that would otherwise remain hidden. Obsidian also has one of the largest plugin ecosystems in the note-taking space. Users can extend functionality with plugins for task management, daily notes, calendars, Kanban boards, spaced repetition, citation management, and even full project tracking systems. Themes allow deep visual customization, and the app works fully offline by default. Because everything is file-based, Obsidian integrates naturally with backup systems, cloud storage, and version control tools. Now for Obsidian's pros and cons. On the positive side, Obsidian offers full data ownership, strong privacy, powerful linking, deep customization, offline first usage, and a generous free core product. On the downside, Obsidian has a learning curve, collaboration is not native, and advanced workflows often rely on community plugins that require configuration and ongoing maintenance. For users who want simplicity out of the box, Obsidian can feel overwhelming at first. Now let's move into Logseq features, where the platform takes a more structured and workflow-driven approach to note-taking compared to Obsidian. Logseq is built around an outliner-first model, meaning every note is composed of blocks rather than long-form documents. This block-based structure makes Logseq especially powerful for daily journaling, task tracking, research notes, and rapid idea capture. Each block can be referenced, linked, tagged, and reused across pages, allowing users to work in small, flexible units of thought instead of rigid documents. Logseq places daily notes at the center of its workflow. Users capture tasks, thoughts, meeting notes, and ideas chronologically, then link them to relevant pages later. This reduces friction, encourages consistent note-taking, and mirrors how many people naturally think day to day. Logseq supports bi-directional links, graph views, namespaces, queries, and properties, enabling users to build structured knowledge systems similar to Obsidian, but with a stronger emphasis on workflows, automation, and task visibility. Logseq includes built-in task management features that go beyond simple checklists. Users can mark blocks as tasks, assign statuses, schedule dates, add priorities, and run advanced queries to surface tasks across the entire knowledge base. This makes Logseq especially appealing for users who want notes, planning, and task management in one unified system. Logseq also supports plugins, custom queries, and themes, allowing some customization, though the ecosystem is smaller and more opinionated than Obsidian's. Another important aspect of Logseq is data ownership and privacy. Like Obsidian, Logseq stores data locally in plain text formats, ensuring long-term access and portability. Offline usage is fully supported, and users are not locked into proprietary formats. This makes Logseq attractive to power users, researchers, and developers who want control over their knowledge base. Now for Logseq's pros and cons. On the positive side, Logseq offers a powerful outliner workflow, excellent daily note integration, strong built-in task handling, and full data ownership. It's ideal for users who think in bullet points, systems, and workflows rather than traditional documents. On the downside, Logseq can feel rigid for new users. Long-form writing is less natural, collaboration is limited, and performance may vary with very large databases. Now let's talk about ratings. Based on publicly available listings on Capterra, both Obsidian and Logseq receive positive feedback for flexibility, data ownership, and power user capabilities. However, official ratings may be limited or vary due to their open source and community-driven nature, so it's always recommended to review the most recent user feedback directly on Capterra before choosing. Final takeaway: if you want a highly customizable, plugin-rich knowledge base with strong graph visualization and long-form writing support, Obsidian is an excellent choice. If you prefer an outliner-first system with built-in task, workflows, daily notes, and structured thinking, Logseq stands out. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more productivity software breakdowns, and click the link below to access Obsidian or Logseq and see which one fits your thinking style best.